I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna step up my videoing to the next level right in this package here. This drone right here, $50 on Amazon. I'm flying it. It's got a camera. It's got everything you could want. Look at this thing. Turn it around. Woo! Production to the next level. Insane. I love it. It's gonna be a game changer. Holy moly. Whoa. Except when you're outside, you can't control it because of the wind. Right there. Ugh. I guess what I'm saying is it sucks. $50 wasted. The good news is that I'm a barterer, I'm a wheeler, a dealer, shot caller, whatever you want to call it. I decided to do a little upgrade. After a day of owning that, I flew it up into this big tree and well, wrecked it because the wind blew it and I couldn't control it. And so I decided to step my game up. So let's see what we got. So, you might be asking yourself, that escalated very quickly. You would be right. Deal is, this Phantom, even though it's the Phantom 3, the older one, still works like a charm. And let me tell you, this is going to be the key to making better videos for this, and all my projects and shenanigans around the house. Also, you may notice there's a first gen, clapped out first gen that's gone. That's right, I booted it off the property. It's a disgrace. Brought my property value down. Let me tell you, I will never do another clapped out job like that. Horrible. Anyways, you can see up there, we have got flight. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm still learning out how to fly this thing. Am I good at flying it? No. I just got it not too long ago. But I can guarantee you I'm going to get good. Now that I've got this somewhat positioned, I'm gonna show you guys a little firsthand what I can do. Now this control right here, got some camera angle down. So if I'm going horizontal like this, I can tap this little button, boom, pops the camera completely vertical so I can switch between modes really quick. Now, let's come a little closer here. All right, now you might be competing. This thing is loud. Not only is it loud, but oh yeah, woo! It is strong. So as I turn this, if you can hear me, hopefully, but as I turn this thing, look at this gimbal. It keeps the camera straight. Even though I go like this, the gimbal keeping the camera level. So that is super cool. Also, now that that's up there, this thing is supposed to have a range of, I think, like 1,600 feet high is what the owner told me. Now, I went up about 500 feet and the thing flashed up on here and told me that I had weak transmission signal. So I don't know if that was complete true or a pile of you know what, but what I do know is that this thing is way too much fun. Now, you do have to get this thing registered with the FAA because it is a big one. Unlike that small one, you don't have to register that small one with the FAA. This one you do, and there's plenty of videos online on how to register, so I won't bore you guys with that. But what I will say is there's two different kinds of registration. You can do it for pretty much home use, or as I like to say it, no monetary value whatsoever. You can't hire out your drone, you can't do anything like that with it. It's strictly for recreational use. Now, since this is going to be used for my YouTube channel, which is making money, well, you know, I can't have it under that. I gotta have it under the real deal. So, same price, it's $5 to register. And yeah, it's very easy, can do it. You do have to put your registration number on the drone. Let me see if y'all can see it. Right there. That is the registration number for the drone. Now, you gotta have that on there, guys. Either way, whether it's for recreational use or for hire or whatever monetary value, you gotta have that on there. So, what I'm trying to say is, don't waste your money. Watch this. I'm gonna fly this bad boy right here. Gonna press this, boom. Slide it over like that. Oh. All right. Easy cheesy. Now, I want to show you guys something. This is a fun drone. If you're inside and you got nothing better to do with your life than sit on a couch all day, by all means, buy this one for 50 bucks. But let me tell you, this camera is a joke, okay? The camera is a joke. Do not buy this if you are thinking on recording or doing any kind of fun videos or pictures. You're going to be very disappointed. Not only that, you can't adjust the camera angle, folks. You have to do that manually when it's on the ground. Very unpractical. And it doesn't have any kind of stabilization, so your video looks like crap. So the moral of the story is, throw that in the trash. Grab yourself a Phantom 3 Advanced Professional, or a Phantom 4 if you got deep pockets. Okay guys, this has kind of been a little funny charade, but I will say this. I'll get some footage of the actual Phantom 3 Advanced flying around, working around. It is HD quality, but it's not 4K. If you're wanting, like, things escalated really quick. When I bought that little drone here off of Amazon, it actually was pretty fun to fly around inside. I took it out here and you could fly it, but it was constant adjusting the controls, and in any kind of windy situation it was a pain to try to keep straight. So what I'm really getting at is, yeah, you can fly this. You can have fun with it inside. It does this cool little flip thing. I won't go into the boring details of it all, but look at this. Folds up into a little package right here, all ready for you. Now, I'm not gonna lie and say it's good because it was $50. But what I will say is if you're flying inside just for fun, go ahead and pick yourself up that Amazon one. I'll put it in the description below. Have fun, 50 bucks, not gonna kill you, not gonna hurt the bank. But if you're trying to get into any kind of serious production, I prefer DJI. Is probably the best out there. Like I said earlier, I got this in kind of a trade deal, so it worked out good for me because I wasn't really out much money at all, because it was kind of like a swap deal. What I'm going to do now, get off of here, and we're gonna fly the drone and get some footage for you guys to see what all it's like, and you know, maybe show you guys the property from a high level.